Hi, I'm Phil Hollander, Business Manager of Refrigeration at Baltimore Air Coil, and I'm here at the RETA conference in Dallas, where we're excited to be launching a new product. In refrigeration, what's the #1 priority? It's reliability. And we asked many of you what reliability means to you. And we heard things like easy installation, easy accessibility, and easy maintenance, because a product that's easy to be maintained will stay reliable. BAC has been the leader in evaporative condensers in the industry for over 75 years and the leader in reliability. And we're excited to be launching this new evaporative condenser, the Vertex Evaporative Condenser, here today. It has a number of new technologies that improve reliability, either directly or indirectly. First, it has a brand new EC direct drive fan system that reduces parts by 50%, improving reliability, efficiency, and by reducing parts by 50%, reduces the ability of things to fail. Next, we have a brand new access door. We stretched it by 50% so that even a 6.5 foot tall person can walk in on a step, holding an access bar and on an internal walkway so he stays dry. It's a great way to maintain a unit, and with all those components, many jurisdictions no longer consider it a confined space. You want easier rigging? We took care of that as well. With a sturdy structure, you can rig the product in about 15 minutes. Next, replacement jobs. We all have a lot of replacement jobs. With a brand new design, it has about 20% reduced operating weight. It has 30% reduced water volume, and it has a brand new belt drive system that is super easy to maintain. It's the perfect solution for replacement projects. The new Vertex Evaporative Condenser is everything that you have been asking for. To learn more about the product, go to our website, baltimoreaircoil.com/Vertex. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. We promise you won't be disappointed. Again, I'm Phil Hollander for Baltimore Air Coil. Thanks for listening.